Chat AI app, AI text essay writer, chatbot homework helper, the best AI chatbots in one app, GPT-4o, Claude 4, Gronk, Gemini, and DeepSeek. Why it says Gronk, I don't know, maybe it means Grok. So yeah, but anyhow, for school, at work, AI Plus is also incredibly fun and useful for your personal life. AI Plus is designed to be a go-to assistant for all your needs. So quite a popular app. A lot of people like, this flexibility where you can select different models, where you don't stick just to one model, where you can, switch. And sometimes these apps are cheaper on a yearly basis, even on a monthly basis. They can cost like $40 per year, while for ChatGPT you need to pay like $20 per month. However, I don't know, obviously they don't have the latest models, but this is just where you have it. And then yeah, you can then just go and see all the functionality. And then here you see free trial, yearly just $50. So seems just that it's cheaper than ChatGPT, because ChatGPT doesn't have yearly plan and a monthly is $20. But you need to keep in mind that here you won't have the latest ChatGPT models and so on. So this is a bit of a, sales tactic. But yeah, here you have like photo generation, text, education, write an essay. I think it would be quite good for basic tasks, but it's not the best model out there. But yeah, it's quite good enough. So that's what you can get. Regenerate, starter, new chat, voiceover. You can see the models. And some of these models only available with the pro subscription. And that's just what you have. So there you have it. And then you have history, and then you have keyboard, where you can set up even your keyboard. So that's what it is. Let's also check. The ratings are quite good, 4.8 out of 5. But keep in mind, a lot of these ratings can be quite fake. So let's just read 1-star ones. So some people say there are a lot of problems, risks me off a lot of money. I'm still trying to get straight behind her. So seems it's charging a bit different account, like 50 cents more or something like that, than it says. Some weird bug. Oh, I don't know what that is. I mean, this app was here for a while. It's one of alternatives if you like these apps which combine a lot of models and you don't want to pay $20 per month and you want to try all the almost latest models in one app. You can try this one.